In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code to a Hostinger website in this Hostinger tutorial. If you want to place custom code on your site, whether it's a widget, an embed, or another code snippet, Hostinger makes the process very straightforward inside the website editor. I'm going to walk you through exactly where to click and what to do so you can add your code in the correct section of your page. To get started, open your Hostinger account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the website you want to edit. This is important if you manage more than one site, because you want to make sure you're applying the code to the correct website. After that, click on Website. This will take you into the management area for that specific site. From here, click Edit Website to open the website builder and access the page editor. Give it a moment to load fully so you can see all the editing tools clearly. Once the editor is open, find and click on Elements. This section contains the different content blocks and features you can add to your page. You'll typically see a variety of options here, but the one you need is called Embed Code. This element is specifically designed for placing custom code into your website layout. Now click on Embed Code, then drag it to the specific section of the page where you want the code to appear. Try to place it carefully in the exact area where the content should be displayed. If you're adding something like a form, a widget, or an external embedded tool, positioning can affect how it looks on the page, so take a second to make sure it's in the right spot. Once the embed block is in place, simply paste your code into it. Make sure you copy the full code snippet correctly before pasting, because even a small missing part can prevent it from working properly. It's also a good idea to check that the code is intended for website embedding and is compatible with the page where you're placing it. After pasting the code, review the section to confirm it appears where you want it. If needed, you can adjust the placement within the editor for a cleaner layout and better visual balance. And that's it. That's how to add code to a Hostinger website using the Embed Code element. Once you follow these steps, you'll be able to place custom code exactly where you need it on your site.